our heroes managed to get rid of Stree, but now in the sequel they're realizing that that might have unleashed a much bigger problem. Hi, I'm Pratiksha Mishra and you're listening to my review of Stree 2. स्त्री 2 नेचुरली इज द सीक्वल टू स्त्री और हमें यह पता चलता है कि स्त्री के जाने के बाद एक और बड़ा आतंक आ गया है विच इज बेसिकली द सरकटे का आतंक. Who is this Sarkata? How is Stree involved? All of that you will get in the lore in the film. But the point being that Stree in the Dinesh Vijan universe is one of the funniest and one of the better comic horror films. So there's a lot of expectations while you're going in for Stree 2, especially because the cast is the same, the kind of premise is the same, and Stree used all of these pretty well despite its missteps. We're back in Chanderi where Ladies Tailor Vicky is still in love with Shraddha Kapoor's nameless character, पर उसको सब ऐसा सस्ता आशिक टाइप बुला रहे हैं because nobody knows where she has gone or even if she kind of loves him back.
जिसका प्यार रह गया आधा कबीर सिंह सूखा बर्जिन.
He's still there pining for her the entire time. And then we also find out that a lot of women in Chanderi are leaving Chanderi for better prospects outside, maybe in a bigger city, in a bigger town, whatever. Now these two things of women leaving Chanderi and some women getting kidnapped are both kind of intrinsically linked because Sarkata is abducting women with Adhunik Soch. So basically feminists. He's abducting feminists. While all this happens, everyone is back at Vicky's doorstep कि तुम हमारे रक्षक हो, Chanderi के रक्षक हो, you send Stree away, you can also manage Sarkata. But Vicky as usual is quite skeptical about his own abilities. साथ ही साथ जो उसका दोस्त है बिट्टू played by अपार शक्ति खुराना, उसके लिए this entire mission has become very personal. They also go and find Jana played by Abhishek Banerjee जो अभी दिल्ली में रहता है and get him back कि please भाई तुझे पता है how Stree operates, you still have a कीटाणु inside of you so you can help us. So now this kind of deadly trio is back with their mentor who is kind of helpful, also kind of useless, Pankaj Tripathi's character Rudra Bhai. The great thing about Stree, the original, was that it kind of mixed this social commentary with its horror comedy, all while being both funny and scary. In Stree 2, the funny is there in like just truckloads. There is so much funny. The scary doesn't quite land because the VFX is not as sophisticated as you would expect it to be, especially in a film like this. A lot of the characters in this are computer generated, तो वो जो एक sequence आ जाता है, for example, where we're seeing a lot of computer generation happening, that just comes off feeling more comical than serious, even though it is quite a serious scene. Speaking of the comedy, the film's first half has joke after joke, and honestly, it was so refreshing to be in a theater after so long, जहाँ इतने लोग बैठे हुए हैं, वो भी practically आधी रात को, and everyone's laughing, having the time of their lives. And another very interesting thing is that a lot of time in Stree 2, you hear women laughing, which is very rare in theaters. One of my favorite parts about Stree and Stree 2 is that the heroes in question are practically acting like idiots. Everything is all over the place. They don't know ho kya raha hai. The film in itself is so nonsensical that even when complete parts are absolute nonsense, you're like, theek hai, chalega, ye to film ka theme hi hai. This being said, the second half kind of does start to drag a little bit. जो ये एक fun premise था film का, starting में comedy भी बहुत अच्छी थी, second half में वो थोड़ा सा imbalance लगने लग जाता है. The good thing, however, is that the second half also has some of the best social commentary. We get to see how easy it is for Sarkate to radicalize all the men in Chanderi to essentially start moral policing the women around them. Girls are taken out of schools, women are put inside their homes. These are men who are pretending to safeguard women from a bigger threat who is also a more bigger dangerous man, all while not addressing the root issue and not even while trying to fight Sarkata. Stree 2, like Stree, also has a bit of a male savior complex problem where it platforms the stories of these four men more than Shraddha Kapoor's character, even though her character's journey in this film is much more important. Also, this film has a crossover with another film from the Dinesh Vijan universe, but I thought that Ruhi would have made much more sense in this universe considering कि उनकी storyline और Stree का जो social commentary है is so similar, and I don't understand why that didn't happen, but regardless. Through all of this, the best thing about the film is the casting. All of them are brilliant comic actors. Rajkumar Rao is just at his best. I feel like the Stree universe is some of his best films because he just gets to be silly goofy and उनको genuinely लगता है कि इसमें इतना ज़्यादा मजा आ रहा है that the audience is also having fun. Everyone around him, Abhishek Banerjee, अपार शक्ति खुराना, Shraddha Kapoor, Pankaj Tripathi, all of these people are giving their all to this film and it shows कि film के आखिरी तक आप इन characters से relate कर पाओ ना कर पाओ, you always have empathy. You're always kind of worried about what's going to happen to them. Even the gags that would have seemed corny somewhere else make sense here and are funny here because of the actors. One problem, however, is that the film keeps shooting for low-hanging fruit, maybe because it's realizing that it's losing the grip a little bit. जैसे कि एक sequence है which has a very major cameo, but it's set in a mental health facility and uses the worst stereotypes possible to portray that. And at one point, the joke just becomes that two men are being flirty with each other. This is not even low-hanging fruit. It's not even funny. It's just problematic at this point. This film, however, does correct the Stree problem a little bit, where it gives the women more agency than Stree had. We actually get to see the Strees in this film, and we get to see how they're working towards their own emancipation without anybody's help, and that is also quite a strong message to have there. This film also, I think, historically has one of the best kind of recap montages ever, and that sucks you into the film so quick in the first 15 minutes itself. At the end of the day, Stree 2 is a cinema viewing experience that we've missed for such a long time, where you could go with your friends, family, and have just a laugh riot, all while just leaving the theater with the thoughts that the film leaves you with. And that is why my rating for Stree 2 is 3 stars out of 5.